I want to read to you a book. It's called I Want to Be a Bird. Come on, let's see. Look through the window. What's the weather like today? It's cloudy. One cloudy day, Robin and Daisy are playing with the dressing up box. I want to be a bird, says Robin. I want to be a bird too, says Daisy. Robin puts on his bird costume and Daisy puts on her bird costume. And off they go. Let's see, where are they going? Robin and Daisy find a baby bird. Look, oh, he's sad. The bird is not happy. Hello, says Daisy. What's the matter? I'm stuck, says baby bird. I can't get out. We can help you, says Robin. Robin and Daisy try to help baby bird. Pull, pull, pull. They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out. Here's my granny and my granddad, says baby bird. Granny and granddad bird, can you help? Asked Robin. Yes, we can, say Granny and Granddad bird. Robin, Daisy, Granny and Granddad try to help baby bird. Pull, pull, pull. They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out. Oh, poor baby bird. Here's my mommy and my daddy, says baby bird. Mommy and daddy bird, can you help? Asked Robin. Yes, we can, say mommy and daddy bird. Robin, Daisy, Granny, Granddad, mommy and daddy bird try to help baby bird. Pull, pull, pull. They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out. Oh, poor baby bird. Here's my sister and my brother, says baby bird. Sister and brother bird, can you help? Asked Robin. Yes, we can, say sister and brother bird. So Robin, Daisy, Granny, Granddad, Mommy, Daddy, sister and brother bird try to help baby bird. Pull, pull, pull. They pull and pull and pull. They pull and pull and pull. And suddenly, baby bird is free! Yippee! Says baby bird. Thank you, Robin. Thank you, Daisy. Thank you, everyone. And if you look, you can see that everyone is happy. It's time to go home. Robin and Daisy wave goodbye to Granny. Bye-bye. They wave goodbye to Granny, to Granddad, to Mommy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, sister. Bye-bye, brother. And bye-bye, baby bird. Goodbye, say Robin and Daisy. Goodbye, say the birds. And now they are at home.